Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to set profile picture in Call of Duty Mobile. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Call of Duty application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Call of Duty if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the top left corner, we have, as you can see, the, of course, achievements. In the bottom left corner, we have the store. In the top right corner, we have the settings. And in the bottom right corner, we have the start, where you can go and start a game, of course. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and set a profile picture in Call of Duty Mobile. So first of all, launch the game on your device, as I told you in the start of the video. Then tap on your username at the top left corner of the screen to access your profile picture. When you do that, the next step is to, of course, tap on your current profile image, of course, that you have at the very moment of this, moment. Then choose from the list of available avatars. You can unlock new avatars by leveling up or purchasing them from the in-game store. Once you've selected your new avatar, tap on Apply to set it as your profile picture. Now your profile will display your chosen avatar and enjoy showing off your new look in game. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Then guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.